Did you know that at 85 years old, one man asked for the most dangerous job in the entire Promised Land? Meet Caleb. While other men his age were resting, Caleb marched up to Joshua with a bold request. He wanted Hebron, the mountain territory filled with giant warriors called the Anakim. 45 years earlier, 12 spies had scouted this same land. 10 came back terrified, saying the giants were too big to fight. But Caleb and Joshua said, "God can help us win." Because of Israel's fear, they wandered the desert for 40 years. Now, finally in the Promised Land, Caleb's faith burned stronger than ever. "I'm as strong at 85 as I was at 40, Caleb declared. "Give me those mountains. God will help me defeat the giants." And you know what? He did it. Caleb conquered Hebron and claimed his inheritance. Your age doesn't matter when God has promised you something. Keep believing, keep fighting. Your dreams aren't dead, they're just waiting for your faith to catch up. Please subscribe for more.